Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about Sumo table. First, how to add Sumo table. Just click on plus, create new card, view more, and we have option to add Sumo table, and we have another option to create poll also. So let's go with the Sumo table. So let's select dataset. So now I am able to create I have selected a dataset. When I click on save, I will be able to create a Sumo table. But and how this is different from our normal table that is exists in the card. So in a Sumo table, we can show the data in two ways. First in the pivot format, another is the normal table format, and we have many option here, like hide column. Like if we want to hide some column, I can hide from here. Sorting, ascending, descending, grouping, filter. We can filter based on any of the data. Then formatting, simple formatting, like how we want to show the data. And another, we have a conditional formatting. So if data is less than, greater than, equal to, between, then how do we want to represent this? Just example, less than anything 6 7 8, then I want to show as a this color or this color or this color. Simply we can add multiple rule in the data, like if the data is lie between this or greater than this, then it should show in this color. So this is about conditional formatting. And apart from this, we can convert this table into a pivot table. So simply I just need to drag a category here, item color. Based on color I am going to divide the column, so we can see like this is the row and this is the color. So this is the same way I have created a pivot table in a Domo. So same thing, sorry, in the Domo ETL. So instead of creating the things on ETL, we can do same thing at Sumo table also. Okay, but Sumo table will have a flexibility, like I can go in two way, either a standard table or a Sumo table. And just let's drag the value. Okay, so it's showing price. So I think probably it is showing sum of price. Now if I have to change the aggregation, then let's go to the aggregation, and here I can change the aggregation, like either I want some average, unique, count. Let me click on count. Okay, so I can show a unique count. Same way I can change any, like take any of the aggregate, like average, anything. And when I click on the table, so here it will show average only. So just we like in the data tab, we can create either standard table or Sumo table, and in the aggregate tab we can change the aggregate type, and simply we can edit the table. Now we have selected a pivot table, so we have the list option, but still we have the filter options, like which all the column I want to show. But when I click on data format, like table format, I will have more option. So this is all about Sumo table. So let me remove this, and now I think it will convert it into standard table. Let's go to the data, so all column. So it's converted into a standard column. So in a standard column we have multiple options to edit the column. But again, when I go with the pivot table, then option will be less. So we can see, like when we have a standard table, okay, when we have a standard table, we have a more option, but when we have a pivot, then we have a less option. So we can see now it is showing this one is showing as a table, because now we are in the pivot format, so it will show in the table. Like I can move or go to the column view in the standard format. When I will have standard format like this, then this will show in the pivot format. It means like I can move from standard table format to pivot format. Simply now it is in the pivot format, but it's so in the image is showing of standard formats. When I click on that, I will move into standard table format. So both are very simple. Like in a standard table format, we'll have multiple option of editing, but in the pivot format, we'll have less option of editing, but it's everything depend on the what kind of requirement we have. That's all about Sumo table. And the only advantage of Sumo table as per me is conditional formatting. Thank you.